Algorand value equivalent to $0.1655 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $0.1608, $0.1683. The earlier day close: $0.1608. The change was plus 0.0047, plus 2.92%. Converse rate: United States dollars to Algo. Algorand gauge for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.10. Exorbitant cost 0.13, while low cost 0.10. The normal for the month 11 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 12 cents, change for May 20.0%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.12. Exorbitant cost 0.15, while low cost 0.12. The normal for the month 13 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 14 cents, change for June 16.7%. Algorand figure for July 2024. Before all else cost at $0.14. Excessive cost 0.16, while low cost 0.14. The normal for the month 15 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 15 cents, change for July 7.1%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $0.15. Excessive cost 0.18, while low cost 0.15. The normal for the month 16 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 17 cents, change for August 13.3%. Algorand estimate for September 2024. To start with cost at $0.17. Exorbitant cost 0.19, while low cost 0.17. The normal for the month 18 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 18 cents, change for September 5.9%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost, Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 18 cents, change for October 0.0%. Algorand figure for November 2024. Initially cost at $0.18. Excessive cost 0.20, while low cost 0.18. The normal for the month 19 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 19 cents, change for November 5.6%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at $0.19. Exorbitant cost 0.21, while low cost 0.19. The normal for the month 20 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 20 cents, change for December 5.3%. Algorand estimate for January 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.20. Exorbitant cost 0.22, while low cost 0.20. The normal for the month 21 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 21 cents, change for January 5.0%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2025. At the outset cost at $0.21. Excessive cost 0.22, while low cost 0.20. The normal for the month 21 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 21 cents, change for February 0.0%. Algorand figure for WAC 2025. Initially cost at $0.21. Excessive cost 0.22, while low cost 0.20. The normal for the month 21 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 21 cents, change for spring 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2025. In the first place cost at $0.21. Exorbitant cost 0.26, while low cost 0.21. The normal for the month 23 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 24 cents, change for April 14.3%. Algorand gauge for May 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.24. Exorbitant cost 0.27, while low cost 0.23. The normal for the month 25 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 25 cents, change for May 4.2%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at $0.25. Excessive cost 0.28, while low cost 0.24. The normal for the month 26 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 26 cents, change for June 4.0%. Algorand estimate for July 2025. To start with cost at $0.26. Exorbitant cost 0.28, while low cost 0.24. The normal for the month 26 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 26 cents, change for July 0.0%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.26. Exorbitant cost 0.32, while low cost 0.26. The normal for the month 29 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 30 cents, change for August 15.4%. Algorand estimate for September 2025. To start with cost at $0.30. Exorbitant cost 0.30, while low cost 0.24. The normal for the month 28 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 26 cents, change for September 13.3%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place cost at $0.26. Exorbitant cost 0.30, while low cost 0.26. The normal for the month 28 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 28 cents, change for October 7.7%. Algorand figure for November 2025. Initially cost at $0.28. Excessive cost 0.28, while low cost 0.22. The normal for the month 26 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 24 cents, change for November 14.3%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at $0.24. Excessive cost 0.24, while low cost 0.19. The normal for the month 22 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 20 cents, change for December 16.7%. Algorand estimate for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.20. Exorbitant cost 0.20, while low cost 0.16. The normal for the month 18 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 17 cents, change for January 15.0%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at $0.17. Excessive cost 0.19, while low cost 0.17. The normal for the month 18 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 18 cents, change for February 5.9%. Algorand figure for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $0.18. Excessive cost 0.18, while low cost 0.16. The normal for the month 17 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 17 cents, change for spring 5.6%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at $0.17. Exorbitant cost 0.17, while low cost 0.13. The normal for the month 15 cents. Algorand cost